step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel. Step 1. Sign into a Google account. 1. Go to google.com and log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, click Create Account and follow the prompts. Step 2. Access YouTube. 1. Open your browser and visit youtube.com. Alternatively, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Step 3. Create a YouTube channel on desktop. 1. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. 2. Select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. 3. Enter a name for your channel and upload a profile picture. 4. Click Create Channel to finish. On mobile. 1. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. 2. Tap your channel. 3. Add a name and profile picture for your channel. 4. Tap Create Channel to save. Step 4. Customize your channel. 1. Go to YouTube Studio. On desktop, click your profile picture greater than YouTube Studio. On mobile, tap your profile picture greater than your channel, edit channel. 2. Add a channel banner and write a channel description. 3. Link your social media accounts or website, optional. Step 5. Upload your first video. 1. Click the Create button, camera icon, in the top right corner. 2. Select Upload Video. 3. Choose a video file from your device. 4. Fill in the title, description, and tags for the video.